First, understand the difference between your password and PIN. The password secures your online account, while the 4-digit PIN is for SIM activations and phone verifications. To reset your password, go to straighttalk.com, click Sign In, then Forgot Password. You'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. For your PIN, use the Forgot PIN option, which may require answering security questions or calling 1-800-950-2355. Remember, temporary access might be available via chat support while you wait for the full reset. Straight Talk now uses mandatory two-factor authentication for password resets. Make sure you have 2FA enabled and recovery options updated. The My Straight Talk app offers biometric PIN resets for faster recovery. Common lockout triggers include expired passwords, which must be changed every 90 days, and unusual login locations. Looking ahead, expect more AI-driven resets and biometric adoption. Also, be aware of potential auto locks after inactivity, so log in regularly and keep your contact info updated to avoid future issues.